The TesMatch 1150 EVO surface miner is a potent machine built for effective excavation and mining activities. It has a strong 320 cm wide cutting drum and a powerful engine with maximum 451 horsepower, enabling it to handle a wide range of materials and situations with ease. Precise cutting capabilities of the machine allow for regulated and accurate excavation, particularly in difficult geological situations. The 1150 EVO can handle a variety of minerals, including coal, limestone, gypsum, iron ore, and more, making it flexible for use in a range of mining and excavation applications. The Vermeer T855-3 pipeline trencher is a strong and effective machine built for rigorous excavation and trenching duties, especially in pipeline installation projects. With its powerful engine producing a significant amount of horsepower, the T855-3 has the strength required to tackle tough trenching tasks. Ensuring consistent performance even in harsh circumstances, the T855-3 is engineered to preserve stability and durability during operation, making it suitable for rugged terrain and demanding conditions. The Vermeer CT718 is a robust, versatile compost turner intended to help with larger-scale composting. It's designed to handle enormous amounts of compost material, making it ideal for industrial-scale composting operations. The CT718 is made of high-quality materials and is designed to last the rigors of continuous operation. The turner frequently has movable controls that let users alter the turning depth and speed to best suit their needs and maximize the composting process. The Vermeer T1255-3 terrain leveler is a strong and adaptable surface excavation machine used in mining, quarrying, and civil construction. With a cutting depth of 27 inches, the terrain chain drive mechanism is intended to cut and level surfaces effectively. Because of this technology, it can navigate difficult terrain, such as rocky or uneven environments. The cutting and excavation process is usually propelled by a powerful engine that produces a significant amount of horsepower of almost 450 horsepower. With its strength, it can manage hard jobs and continue to be productive in difficult circumstances. The TesMatch 1075 bucket wheel trencher is a tough machine designed for digging trenches in a variety of environments. The trencher excavates using a bucket wheel mechanism. Its design makes it capable of cutting through multiple surfaces, including rocks and soil, with efficiency. Since it can cut trenches of varied widths and depths from 7 to 8 inches deep, it can be used for a variety of tasks, including installing drainage systems, cables, and pipelines. Usually fitted with a powerful engine, it supplies almost 375 horsepower of force, making it easier to move the trencher and the bucket wheel across challenging ground. The CAT 627 open bowl scraper is an extremely demanding earth-moving machine built for substantial excavation and material hauling in building, mining, and earth-moving applications. With an open bowl capacity of around 23 cubic yards, it has a significant hauling capacity. It is driven by a sturdy diesel engine that offers sufficient power to manage tough jobs effectively. The open bowl form enables for rapid loading and unloading of materials, such as soil, gravel, and other materials. It has a hydraulically driven blade for quick cutting and loading. One of Caterpillar's biggest and strongest bulldozers, with 22/9800 in operating weight, the Cat D11 dozer is made for heavy-duty land clearing and earth-moving jobs. It is outfitted with a powerful diesel engine, often with a high horsepower rating of 850 horsepower, which provides enormous power for moving enormous quantities of material. The D11 is commonly equipped with a big blade capable of moving considerable amounts of soil, rocks, or trash in a single pass. The blade can be outfitted with numerous attachments for particular applications. The Cat RM600 road reclaimer is a sophisticated piece of equipment built for road repair and soil stabilization. The RM600 is renowned for its capacity to efficiently recycle and recover pavement materials by pulverizing and combining asphalt or other materials with the existing ground. It helps stabilize soil and strengthen the structural integrity of roads by mixing materials to a width of 96 inches. With its strong engine having 636 horsepower's gross power, the RM600 can handle reclaiming jobs with ease in a variety of conditions and landscape types. The Triton 4002 submersible is a manned, high-tech submersible built for deep-sea exploration and research. Most sophisticated submersibles on the market today, reaching 4,000 meters, 13,123 feet below the surface. The Triton 4002 can access the mesopelagic and partially bathypelagic zones of the ocean. The safety of the people is guaranteed by the pressure hull's construction, which uses materials that can tolerate high pressure at deep depths. The TigerCat 180 swing yarder is a powerful piece of forestry equipment used to transport logs from the harvesting site to a landing or processing place. The TigerCat 180 is renowned for having a strong swing mechanism that makes it easy to move and arrange logs in a variety of directions. It can handle heavy loads of lumber, which makes it appropriate for logging tasks that require a lot of effort. It is made of sturdy materials that can survive harsh forestry conditions, guaranteeing endurance and dependability in operation. The TCI 730 street trencher is made especially for urban trenching tasks. It can maneuver through city streets and building sites with accuracy and efficiency. It can manage a variety of ground conditions, from compacted soil to asphalt, thanks to its strong construction and powerful engine, guaranteeing dependable operation even in difficult situations. It can cut large and deep trenches, and depending on the needs of the project, it can frequently be adjusted for varying widths and depths. Because of its dependability, adaptability, and capacity to perform a variety of jobs well, the John Deere 318G skid steer is a well-liked option for contractors and operators. It is versatile for a range of job requirements in the construction, agricultural, landscaping, and other industries, thanks to its compatibility with multiple attachments. It can range from about 60 to 70 horsepower, depending on the model. With its normal lifting capacity of 1,600 to 2,000 pounds, it is appropriate for a variety of material handling applications. The John Deere 437E knuckle boom loader is a multi-purpose machine built for heavy-duty lifting, loading, and material handling in forestry and other industries. It has a potent and fuel-efficient engine that delivers the required horsepower and torque to tackle tough jobs on a range of terrain. The configuration of the knuckle boom offers greater reach and mobility. It has an articulated boom with hydraulic operation that can reach over obstructions and into small areas. The grapple attachment makes it possible to efficiently grab, lift, and carry logs, lumber, or other objects. The river excavator dredging pump is specialized machinery used to remove sediment, silt, sand, and debris from riverbeds, lakes, and other bodies of water. These pumps are designed to perform well in demanding dredging applications. They usually have strong hydraulic systems that can move considerable amounts of silt and water. Because dredging materials are abrasive, they're made of sturdy materials like hardened steel or alloys, which prevent corrosion and premature wear and tear. An adaptable piece of heavy equipment, the River 1015T amphibious excavator can work in a variety of land and aquatic settings, including marshes, swamps, rivers, and lakes. This excavator has pontoons and special attachments that let it float and move through bodies of water. This skill allows it to complete tasks in difficult and wet conditions. The design facilitates mobility between job sites. Its versatility and efficiency for a range of tasks stem from its ability to travel from land to water without requiring additional equipment. The powerful Boss EXT snowplow is made to withstand harsh snow conditions while operating effectively. Typically, the EXT series has an extensible blade that is fully hydraulic, allowing you to change the plow's width to meet various snow removal requirements. This adaptability makes it easier to remove snow from a variety of areas and surfaces quickly. High-strength steel is used in the sturdy construction of Boss plows, which guarantees longevity and durability even in the most harsh winter conditions. Designed for mining and construction applications, the heavy-duty Sany SCR Roadheader 81 is ideal for tunneling and excavation. With its sturdy cutting head, the Sany SCR Roadheader 81 facilitates effective rock and hard surface excavation for tunneling and mining projects. Constructed with longevity in mind, the Roadheader 81 is made to endure challenging situations that are commonly encountered in mining and tunneling activities. The Sany SRCR 129C fire truck, also known as a Sany Heavy Emergency Rescue Firefighting 129, is a skilled vehicle designed to perform advanced firefighting and rescue missions. It has a strong engine that guarantees swift response and maneuverability in an emergency. It has enormous water tanks that can hold a significant volume of water for combating fires. In addition to having high-capacity pumps for efficient water supply to put out fires, it has improved navigational capabilities for difficult terrain. The XCMG XGC 88000 is one of the most massive crawler cranes produced by XCMG. It is an exceptionally powerful crane with a remarkable lifting capacity. Specifically made for tasks like erecting skyscrapers, installing wind turbines, and handling big constructions, it is intended for heavy lifting and large-scale construction operations. This crane has an extensible boom that can reach incredible heights. At construction sites, the crane can navigate difficult terrain with ease thanks to its crawler treads. With its strong rotary drilling technology, the XR130E can drill deep holes for a variety of uses, including foundation piling and borehole drilling. It is mostly intended for use in foundation engineering and construction projects. Usually, it is powered by a strong engine that is made to meet pollution regulations and give enough power for drilling operations while yet being fuel efficient. Additionally, it is designed to give stability when drilling, particularly in difficult terrain. The JCB 540-140 is a telescopic handler built for heavy-duty lifting and loading duties in construction, agriculture, and industrial sectors. With a maximum lift height of about 14 meters, 46 feet, the 540-140 can routinely raise up to 4 tons, 4,000 kilograms. Its telescoping boom, which has exceptional reach capabilities, enables operators to extend and move loads across long distances and at heights. The Hägglund BV206 cargo carrier is a multi-purpose all-terrain vehicle that is primarily used for transporting cargo, equipment, and individuals in a variety of difficult settings. The BV206 is a tracked vehicle with remarkable mobility that can traverse rough terrain. It is made up of 2 units, a front and a rear unit connected by a pivoting joint. It can negotiate a variety of terrains, such as sand, snow, marshes, and uneven ground, due to its track design and minimal ground pressure. The Terex Finley LJ130 Hybrid Jaw Crusher is a strong and adaptable mobile jaw crushing unit built for the most demanding applications. It has effective performance and lower fuel consumption, pollutants, and noise levels thanks to its electric and hydraulic power systems. The crusher has a sturdy design that makes it able to process a wide range of materials, including demolition waste and hard rock. For outstanding production rates, it has a big jaw chamber and a high crushing chamber. It has the efficiency and dependability to handle large amounts of material. Machines designed for extreme settings are frequently subjected to extensive testing to guarantee that they can survive difficult circumstances such as high temperatures, tremendous pressures, corrosive environments, or powerful vibrations. Innovations in engineering and materials are essential to these devices' ability to withstand such harsh environments. Stay tuned to our channel to discover more about these incredible advancements.